Alright, welcome back to another video. We got the three ice fishermen. We're gonna be fishing the MANAYUNK Canal today. We're gonna just be fishing for everything. There might be snakeheads, definitely bass and sunnies, maybe some perch, and most likely carp. We have corn in the lunchbox. I think we each got 2 rods. I got a bass spinning rod and a panfish rod. And just got a spinner bait and a little jig on right now. Hopefully we can get some nice fish today. Yeah, it's super shallow right here. We don't know what this like plank down here is for, but we're walking on it and it's a little sketchy. So we're just making sure not to step on any that look weird or in any holes like that. Like, it's not just this. Like, I don't think this section's really good. Like, there's more spots farther up and I think they're much better. Whoa, see that? Dude, I think this might be where one rod caught like a 5-pounder. I recognize this part.
It looks really good. Yeah, we're gonna...
Hey, there we go. Oh, finally caught something. Saw a bunch of little baby bass, so I just stuck the little trap magnet on. There we go, baby largemouth. Probably the smallest largemouth I've caught all year. All right, there we go, little largie. I knew there'd be fish in this little outflow here. Oh! It's probably that fish we just saw. Oh! Dude, that was definitely the fish. Dang, you were right, bro. That's the perfect imitation. I don't even know. I guess it's a crappie. That's a catfish. That's a koi. It's a big bass right there. Swooped. Or it looked like it was getting swooped.
Was it like actually big or like?
You know, it's like a pound.
Just a big fish.
No, it was a nice bass. There we go. There we go. I got him.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's probably the one I saw. Oh, there's a second one. There's two. Cast in there, son. Let's go, baby. Finally got a good one. I think this is better than the one I saw. Oh, he's peeing. Let's go.
Good one.
On the fluke. Got this little like purple and green fluke on a Texas rig. Saw a bass over there casted. Got him.
Let's see if I can catch one. Dude, that's a good one. It's probably like a chunk. Oh, look at the black on it.
Oh yeah, I got a black spot on that guy. Really cool.
Nice.
Nice little
Catch
bass.
anything else?
This is the I got a little bass, and then this is it. Yeah,
Nice.
He got one, or also one. All right, there we go. First nice bass of the day. Beautiful.
Dude, that was a really...
Look, there was a second one.
Yeah, I'm trying to...
Yeah, there were two. And as I was reeling that one in, another one was chasing it. This looks good. All right, we're above the canal now, where Flat Rock Dam is right there, Schuylkill River. This is where the canal starts, where all the water comes in. It's probably going to be where we turn around for the day.
Even rigged.
I wasn't even filming. We were walking back and I saw a bass. I was like, oh, it's casting there. My fluke wasn't even rigged right. It like fell off and it was like kind of wacky rigged. And this little bass just took it. Bass number 3. Second biggest. Oh. Definitely tough fishing here. Definitely really pressured. There we go, last fish of the day. All right, well, that's gonna be it for today. Definitely tough fishing here at the MANAYUNK Canal. Really pressured. Like, even the bluegills were smart, and when the bluegills are smart, you know that it's a tough spot to fish. But I got 3 bass. One of them was pretty decent. And it was a fun time trying a new spot. We hiked pretty much the entire canal. It's a good, like, 1.5 mile stretch. And yeah, it was a good time. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Share with friends, and we'll see you in the next one.